Hey, I'm Ashley from D. Patrick Lebanon Ford. When you bring your vehicle to us, you want it in trusted hands, and we take that very seriously. At D. Patrick Lebanon Ford, we make it easy to keep your vehicle running at its best. Our service team is made up of some of the most knowledgeable and experienced Ford certified technicians you'll find. They've spent years training specifically on Ford vehicles, and they use the proper tools and diagnostics recommended by the manufacturer. We offer a full lineup of Ford service packages, including our Works Package Plus and Works Package Premium Plus, each designed to help your engine run cleaner and smoother. And if your vehicle needs routine care, we provide services like wiper replacements, tire rotation and balance, brake inspection, and battery checks.
As a Ford dealership, we offer Ford recommended manufacturers maintenance, such as power steering flushes, coolant flushes, brake flushes, four-wheel drive service, alignments, brakes.
And while you wait, you can enjoy our amenities, including free Wi-Fi, coffee, and a comfortable lounge to relax in until your vehicle is ready. We're here to help keep your vehicle performing the way it should, with straightforward communication, competitive pricing, and a team you can trust. When it's time for your next service, we would love to take care of you. Schedule your appointment online or give us a call